TikTok hacks. Sometimes they're awesome, and other times, yeah, not so much. Today, I'm gonna be trying a bunch of different TikTok cleaning hacks, so you don't have to. But with a twist, because we're only using lemons. Yes, every single challenge we're gonna do today is using lemons. Because of the lemon's acidic nature, it actually is a pretty good cleaning aid. So honestly, I feel like most of these hacks should work pretty good. So if these work, try them out at home, and if they don't, thank me later. Without further ado, let's get right into our first TikTok cleaning hack. As you can see, we need white vinegar. Then we need to peel the lemons and put them in the white vinegar and let it sit in a cool, dark place for about 2 weeks. And this makes all-purpose cleaning spray. I honestly feel like this will work, and I'm really excited to try it. Luckily, I've planned ahead and I've already done it so that we can try it today. This has been sitting for almost 2 weeks now. Ooh. Can actually smell it through the jar. We're gonna pour this into a spray bottle and put it to the test and see if this is fact or cap. And just like that, we have our spray. Let's see if it works. As you can see, this bad boy's stained, so this should be a good test. So the lemon all-purpose spray does in fact work. This TikTok hack is a fact. But the real question is the next one we're gonna try also gonna be true or a massive waste of time and lemons? Let's find out. This next one is to help get rid of that brown ring you probably have around your sink. And apparently all you need is half of a lemon and some baking soda. And apparently you just pour, oh, I'm gonna make a mess. I'm gonna go over here and do this. Okay, I did it. Apparently, this baking soda on top of this lemon is going to get rid of that nasty brown ring around my sink, but that's apparently. Let's see if it's actually true. Wow. At first, I wasn't sure if that was gonna work, but I think it really did. Here's the before and after, so you guys tell me, but I really think that that actually got rid of that nasty brown ring. Baking soda plus lemon is another fact. We're on a roll, but this next one may be a little bit more sketchy. So let's try it out. This next one requires 3 halves of a lemon in the dishwasher, and apparently it will make your plates glisten. So you just kind of throw these in here and run the dishwasher like you normally would. So let's try it. Alright, so we're done with that. But let's move on to the next one, and we'll come back to this at the end of the video. Alright, so this next one says that you can clean a cooking sheet really easy with just half a lemon and some baking soda. As you can see, this thing is a little bit dirty. Would I go out of my way to cut a lemon in half and get some baking soda and pour that on it and then scrub away? I don't know. I think I'd rather just use a sponge. I'm having deja vu right now. Alright, there we go. This does look clean and it smells amazing, but still think I'd rather just use the sponge. Overall, that one was pretty good. The pan smells good and it honestly looks really clean. But like I said, I think I'd just rather use the sponge, so I'm honestly gonna give that one a fail. Anyway, let's move on to our last hack. This one is apparently supposed to make your whole house smell really, really good. So let's try that. For this, all you're gonna need is a pot full of water and some sliced up lemons. And then you're just gonna go and boil the water over the stove. Let your water get to a nice boil, and apparently this should make the house smell wonderful. Okay, it's been a minute and oh my goodness. The smell in here is so fresh. That little pot is somehow making this whole room smell incredible. I'm gonna go ahead and say it. This one, full-on fact. So there you have it. Those are the, wait a minute. There's one more we gotta check. The dishwasher. So now is the moment of truth. It should have made the dishes shiny. Ooh. It should have our dishes looking shiny and fresh and smelling great. Just gonna grab a random plate here. I mean, looks good to me. Ooh, the smell though. The smell is fresh. Well, I would consider that a success. Lemons actually have a ton of uses when it comes to cleaning, and you can do some pretty fun, cost-effective hacks with them. There's really only 2 that I was like, not really impressed by. But again, it's a win. Be sure to like and subscribe. This has been Jordan from Marco, and I'll see you guys in the next one.